Hello, in this video we'll be looking at a question from the A-level paper 1, more specifically paper 1-2 from the year 2023. This is the question we'll be looking at today, and I'll be doing the solution out on the whiteboard, hopefully just like your teacher would if you were in school. If you were looking for another question from this paper, you should be able to find that in a playlist below the video. Okay, let's get to this question. In question 5, we're given this diagram and this equation, and we're asked to find the area of the shaded region, or the area underneath this curve here. From this point, they tell us we hit the point 0 and the point 4. So this is an integration question. We should, whenever we think area underneath a curve, we should be thinking integration. So how to find the area of this? The area is equal to the integral of y dx. That's it. Y, this is y up here. So between whatever 2 points we want. In this case, between 0 and 4. So this is equal to the integral between 0 and 4 of 10x half minus 5 over 2 x to the power of 3 over 2. And all of this to dx. You can do each of these separate, or we can do them together. They don't multiply, they don't cross-contaminate each other. So we can do this all in one go. The rules for integration is we take the power of the x and we add 1 to it. So let's write the answer down here. I'll put a bracket so I can still have 0 and 4. 10 is left alone, x. We add 1 to this, so we get 3 over 2. We then get this number and we divide by it. So divide by 3 over 2 or multiply by 2 over 3. I'm just dividing by 3 over 2, that's why I flipped that. Let's put a bracket there just to make that clearer. And we do the same here, minus 5 over 2x, add 1 to it, we get 5 over 2, and divide by 5 over 2. Dividing by 5 over 2 is like multiplying by 2 over 5. Or they're just going to cancel. 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 is 1. Or 5 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5 is also 1. Anyway, I'll leave that like that for the moment. And this is, usually you write 0 to 4 on this end. Doesn't matter so much. We can clean this up. These guys cancel. I guess there's not much cancelling there. Let's continue up here. The area is equal to 20 over 3. Instead of x, we're going to put 4 in. 4 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 4 to the power of 5 over 2. And then we would get minus, and we put 0 in. But here's the thing, well, let me just write it in. Minus 20 over 3 multiplied by 0 to the power of 3 over 2. That's 0. Minus, that's a plus. 0 to the power of 5 over 2. That's 0. Don't have to write them in. The zeros are handy. It's whenever we're getting the area under a curve, if it goes all the way up to the 0 point, that makes it a lot easier. Because we always get, well, we don't always, but we usually get zeros down here. It depends where it hits. If it hits up here, we wouldn't, and so on. Actually, you know what? I'm not 100% sure what I just said. So ignore it for the moment. Let's clean this up. You can put this all in a calculator. It'll probably give you the good answer out. What does the answer look like? Yeah, it's a fraction. Yeah, put this in a calculator, I'll give you a fraction, no problem. But we can do this ourselves. 4 to the power of a half that's the square root. The square root of 4. That's 2. 2 to the power of 3, that's 8. 8 times 20 is 160 over 3. Minus, again, square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So minus 32. Let's get them both over the same fraction. Multiply that by 3. And we get, what's this? This is 96. 160 minus 96 is 64 over 3. And that doesn't go in. That's our final answer. Yeah, that's the answer I got earlier. That's it. That's all for this question now that I think about it. So I hope that answered everything. If you have any follow-up questions, put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you.